A few weeks ago, a moto brand called RIDEIRON got in touch and asked if I'd like to test and review one of their bags. I said I'd be delighted to because this is exactly the kind of bag I need for my long distance travels. There's a lot that's great about this bag, but let's start at the beginning. First, it comes basically flat packed like this, which means when it's not in use, it folds away neatly. It's very straightforward to open up, just open it out and zip up the sides and top. You can even send RIDEIRON your logo or artwork and they'll send you a Velcro patch to attach to the bag. I love this detail and the Velcro is really strong. I think it's fair to say that this is a really high quality and good looking bag, but it's also practical and designed with moto travel in mind. Not only can you open the bag from the top, but you can easily open each side, giving you full access to your luggage or to find buried items in a hurry. It's got a huge 40-litre capacity. I was able to fit my drone and DSLR in their bulky carry bags, along with my sleeping bag, a camping pillow, a stove, a camping chair, some clothes, and I easily had room for more. You can also increase the capacity by another 20 litres. It's got elastic and extra buckles on the top to strap down extra gear, as well as multiple external and internal pockets. The bag itself is splash-proof, meaning it'll provide protection against the likes of puddles and light rain, but it comes with a totally waterproof rain cover which easily slips over the top and is tightened via elastic. You'll also get a heavy-duty shoulder strap. It's really easy to mount the bag to the bike. Just loop the straps through themselves to any mounting points on your bike and fasten the buckles. Bag really is just perfect for my needs. I was able to take less luggage than usual because I could fit so much into this bag, and it took that bike drop no problem. I love that it comes off the bike really easily. Those click buckles are quickly accessible when I need to take it off the bike in tricky situations like that. If you've been looking for a great moto bag for long distance, camping or general use, I can say that the RIDEIRON tail bag is brilliant. I'm going to be spending a month in the UK on the bike and I can't wait to take the bag with me.